Hey guys, welcome to the another AMV edit tutorial. So today we are going to make smooth zoom in zoom out transition. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So here are my clips, Sukuna's clip. I'm going to add a adjustment layer here. One adjustment clip, fixing the size as this clip, and going on right click and opening infusion page. So we are going to do on media in 1. Click on media in 1 and then click on this transform here. This is, then we have to add just here a keyframe, center and size. First of all, we are going to do, we made a keyframe on this point, okay, on starting. At the end we are doing, then we are moving forward. We are just doing upscale here. We are just moving a little bit up and adjust the motion blur here. Quality we are putting on 4, and you can adjust your with your what your favorite motion blur is that, okay. Then let's do it little bit smoother. We are doing a size here smoother. First of all, we have to just zoom in on his face. We are making it like this, so it's take a bit faster, okay. So you can see here something like this, okay. So size is okay. Now we have to see the center. We have to do the center here. We have to do the center, same thing, but I think we can do this. We can make slow to fast, okay, something like this. If we do the fast here, so that not look that good, you can see. We have to just move a little bit upside. That looks so smoothly and done here with our work. Okay, so this graph is from here. Okay, so here the first clip is done. In the second clip we are going to add again an adjustment clip, a size again. So I just want to make from here to here. That's good. Not, we cannot make here. Again we are going to open on fusion page, another adjustment clip here. Click on media in 1 and click on transform here. Again we have to do just going on front time, okay, here, and click again this size center. So we are moving, so okay, there is no need to do the center, okay. We are going to do zoom out, okay. So we are going to zoom out here little bit, something like this. Add a motion blur. Already I told you can make your own settings at what you like, okay. So I am doing this edges on mirror here. Done. Then we are going to do where his hand moving, something like this. So I just want to end up here on this side, okay. I am doing this little bit zooming, so it's look like a so powerful zoom. So we are going to do again a size smoothly here, and then we are going to make it so faster. So we have to do add this graph here and see. Let's see how it's work. A little bit slow if you want. So this one looks, okay. So this one is, can change, you can see we can do this cannot do too much upside. You're doing like too good. It's done now. You can see now it's looking good. So what you think how it is? I'm showing. Okay, I'm going to export this again. Okay, exporting the video here and deleting all this stuff right now, and I'm showing you right how I did. So the clip is here, so let's see how it's work. So guys, I hope this video help you. Make sure to like this video for more videos. Take care, bye bye, see ya.